it's just one click away for your dreams to come true if you wanna go abroad. Nung pagdating ko dun sa Australia, I felt like Filipinos by nature, they're very skillful and they thrive in abroad. Kasi laki ng sweldo and then it's a different, atmosphere, 'di ba, and community. Yung mga Pilipino 'pag dinala mo sa abroad, ang sisipag, resilient, magaling magtrabaho, mag-e-excel talaga sila. Kung ako mismo naniniwala ako sa sarili ko as a Filipino that I thrive in abroad, for sure marami pang Pilipino sa Pilipinas na sobrang galing na 'pag pumunta sila sa abroad, kaya din nila. Kasi kung kaya ko, kaya din nila. And then eventually, one time I was browsing through the web. Sabi ko gawa ako ng content. And then, how can someone or how can a Filipino go abroad? And then, right there and there, number one, sa Google, work abroad at PH. And then, pag-click ko ng website, the user experience is very good, specific yung jobs, ang daming options, iba't ibang countries. I'm like, okay, let's do this. I'll create a content. And sabi ko din